My dear friend, I am reciting a poem from my new collection of poems, Old India versus New India. The nature is divided. The roots of untouchability and inequality are deep. The roots of untouchability and inequality are deep. Due to these evils of society, Dalit can't sleep. The Dalits are treated as the human being of another satellites. They have no equal participation in social functions. Social reformers like Virat and his velvet Sandhya struggled against these disparities. In the one village of Uttarakhand, both of them roamed. The non-Dalit have divided two natural fountains, one fountain which was near the village. It was used by the non-Dalit, the another fountain which was far away from the village. It was used by Dalits. We have divided natural thing on the basis of caste. In this scientific era, the peoples are landing on moon, but on the planet of Earth, the Dalit aren't allowed to land near the fountain of non-Dalit. It is surprising the social reformers who belong by a lower caste community, the another social reformer who belong by a upper caste community, they both decided to abolish this inhuman system. They both decided to abolish this inhuman system. The Dalit ladies had gone to the fountain, which was 3 kilometers away from the village, to fetch the water. Virat and Sandhya gathered the lower caste people near the fountain, which belonged to the people of the upper caste. They informed to the superintendent of police of the district about these disparities. The police force came there. After a great struggle, the ladies of lower caste were allowed to fetch the water from the fountain of the people of the upper caste. The ladies of lower caste filled up the water of the fountain into their pitchers. They were taking the nectar in their pitchers. The ladies of upper caste filled up the water from fountain into their pitchers. They were taking water in their pitchers was like a poison. It is very surprising that on the basis of caste we have divided the natural things. I have described in this poem the nature is divided. About two fountains. One fountain was near the village. It was only used by the non-Dalits, upper caste people. Another fountain was away from the village, about 3 kilometers away, was used by the Dalits. It is surprising. In the present day, the peoples are landing on moons, but the Dalit are not allowed to land near the fountain of upper caste people. It is shocking. The two social reformers, they were young men. One was a Virat man, a youth, and second was upper caste girl, that is called Sandhya. They decided to remove these disparities. They informed to the superintendent of police and described all these disparities, inequalities, and cruelties. The police force came there and they delivered an order that Dalit ladies will also fetch the water from this fountain of upper caste people. The ladies which were Dalit ladies who were pouring water into their pitchers was feeling that they were carrying nectar in their pitchers. The upper caste women were feeling they were carrying the water into their pitchers is like a poison. The feeling must be changed. Struggle is essential. Dr. Ambedkar also said that we have to struggle. This was a cruel system in that village. Dr. Ambedkar said, be educated, be united, and then struggle. And the people of scheduled caste gathered there and abolished this evil system which was harming to the people of scheduled caste. जय भारत जय भीम, जय भारत जय भीम. इसको देखो कहाँ जाएगा.